Morning, guys. So I'm having breakfast. This is day one of vacay weekend. I'm tired already. Breakfast is good so far. So this is me showing, I'd say, proof of life. I'm really going to try my hardest to maintain this vlog for vacay weekend this Easter. My husband is going to be on my case. So I'm really trying. But yeah, this is just me having breakfast. And I'll take it. What time is it? It's 10:05. And I've been up from probably I got my 5 call this morning at 5:55 a.m. So that's what woke me up. So I've been up since then. Yesterday we opened the Redemption Center and that went smoothly. This is probably my 11th, 12th, 15th call of the day. Sorry. And by yesterday we opened the Redemption Center for half day. We'll be having the Redemption Center today and tomorrow as well. And today are the first 2 events, Lawn and the Panda Plaza. So yeah, follow me as I go through zombie weekend. Hi guys, back again. So I'm on my way to the venue officially. It is 11:11. Wow, 11:11. We call it 11:11, guys. So hopefully that brings some luck for the day. Literally just outside the venue. I'm gonna see what's happening over there. I literally don't intend to take that long. So I'm gonna do a timestamp on when I'm leaving and let's see if we can keep up because this year I promised myself I'm not gonna get raggedy. What I thought over this and everything. I'm gonna take my time and ease into the events and get ready and get cute. So this is us going to the event. Ooh, look at that. Welcome to vacay weekend. Problem start too early.
Welcome to we vacay, you know? Outside. Redemption Center down that side here, yeah?
Big up yourself.
What time it close?
10.
10? Redemption Center close at 10. And persons can purchase like single
Sons.
sons. Only sons?
That's what me know about. Look at me waiting to do an interview and I have a client of mine online on radio doing their interview. Girl is busy, okay?
Vacay weekend and we have Jillian who is the event coordinator on the line. How are you?
Hi,
Hey,
I'm
Jillian.
good.
You good?
Yeah.
Alright, so we know that we have 4 days of excitement.
4 days of excitement, as you said. 7 different events for vacay weekend, bringing summer into Easter.
Alright, and it starts today, right?
Starts today. So today is day 1 and we have 2 events. So our first event would have started already, which is the lawn. Code yellow, so you know you put on yellow fit and come. If you didn't purchase a weekend band, you're able to purchase individual tickets at the gate for the event. So still you have time to come on out and enjoy yourself. In the night for day 2, we have Panda Plaza, which you know bringing all the dancehall elements with a performance from Baker. So you know come out in your best Jamaican streetwear to have a good time.
Ooh, okay, I'll go with this one. It's a Baker.
Baker,
Well,
yes.
Alright, we know they're going to have more celebrities as we go. Talk to us about that.
As we go, so I would say it's 4 days. So that's day 1. And day 2, which is tomorrow, we have Aqualix, which is our official prepare to get wet beach party. You know, most of the events is set in the water for you to come on out and have a good time. I mean, it's hot. It's just say Easter is a new summer because the heat does feel like it is the summertime. And so, you know, giving you a chance to cool down at Aqualix. And then after Aqualix, we have Strictly 2K, which everybody knows is the baddest and the biggest throwback party in Jamaica. So come on out for Strictly 2K. Day 3, another jam-packed day with the estate, giving you a chance to wind down at the estate, Vineyard Soria, all white. You know, dressed very elegantly for your brunch affair at the estate. And in the evening for over, so we have a lingerie and pajama party. And of course, the event culminates on Easter Monday, April 1st, with Sans Caribbean Music Festival, the People's Festival, the biggest festival in and outside of Jamaica, with Young Miami and the Jada Kingdom. And I mean, what more can you want for the weekend?
That's one. I feel like it's going to be so exciting. One entire week. That vibe and raving. Love that.
Definitely.
Shooting star in the sky, come to open your eyes. Burn the old me together. Finding you was a missing part. Feels like it's a start. And I won't stay in comfortable silence. I won't talk by myself in violence. Ever since you.
Hi guys, I'm alive. Do I look like I'm neglecting life? No, I absolutely am not. Life is enveloping me in all its craziness. It's day 2 of vacay weekend. We have 2 events today. Aqualix and Strictly 2K. I'm now having lunch, my first meal of the day. I hope to go take a nap after this husband because I'm tired. I've been up from about 7 o'clock and I went to bed after 4. So I'm not really surviving on much battery. But life is here and I think I'm handling life well. Oh, this only have 12%.
Yeah, one charge.
Oh, the tracking thing turn on? It looks so. How do I turn it on or off?
Double tap the face on the screen.
Oh.
You want to turn it off, double tap it.
I'm not tell us the rum stripe about it. It's one of the only buckets I've ever gotten that kind of fits my big ass head.
Well, I know you keep in contact with someone.
Yeah, I think it has it on for sure. It has it on for sure. I'm sorry. That's it. People the man vexed me. You do usually, I love the usual. So guys, we are on our way to the estate. Another day party in the daytime, at least when night fall, and I'm happy because I'm usually not early. You should see my face. Let's show you my face. But yeah, you guys will see the fit. This is babe. My clothes, please. Ooh. I'm gonna hold it up so this face I translate through the camera because I don't know how it goes, but I think I look cute. I'm sorry, sure, just right outside the venue. Put them on. Get some product before we go back we go back home. It's so weird saying home about Kingston. I'm absolutely not ready, but good morning. It's Saturday. This vlog is all over the place, but hey, today me I got try because I'm really wanting to see. Not the first call, it's about the 15 call from morning. Y'all will see what it really takes to put together this event called Sands. So I'm gonna take you guys with me today. Cut some parts of the madness. My phone has been ringing from about 6 o'clock this morning, I think. So I get some food, I go to the venue, and may I block every call until then. See y'all. Thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day. Yeah. Oh guys, I got my nails. I've been going all weekend without my nails. I finally did them over yesterday. God, thank you for sunshine. Thank you for rain. Thank you for joy. Thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. No, Tina, I haven't forgotten you. Thank you for sunshine. Thank you for rain. Thank you for joy. Thank you for pain. It's a beautiful.
Hey, yo, Jay, can we get some ratchet one time? Look, I don't wanna talk. How you try and press the kid and really you was soft. All you know is capping, homie, you don't know the law. Pedal to the metal, you ain't catching me in park. I just hit the stop. I don't wanna speak. Talking all that good, so I just hit you with the plays. Running up the score like Tyreek, I'm going deep. Watch me how I'm saucing, I be spreading it with ease. You gon' see the peace. You gon' see the flex when you hear these writtens. Trust me, you know the difference. I got a long ways to climb before you see a slippage. I see the process in the journey.
I was looking if there's a gate there, but there's no gate because I thought a gate was there, but the challenge for me is it's just getting up on the stage because she can pass around here. We have like whatever, she can pass around there, but it's the
trying to make it hikey, might be breaking free like I was iron in some Nikes. Tucked at the crib, bro, you know just where to find me.
We'll go shift to the left.
Because them can go over. If the speaker could go over just a little bit, then it's good. Then the second.
I give up now that I got some kids, but really now I got these arrows aiming at your ribs. I don't wanna talk. How you try and press the kid and really you was soft. All you know is capping, homie, you don't know the law. Pedal to the metal, you ain't catching me in park. I just hit the stop. I don't wanna speak. Talking all that good, so I just hit you with the plays. Running up the score like Tyreek, I'm going deep. Watch me how I'm saucing, I be spreading it with ease. You gon' see the peas. Hey, please be on the notice. These my motives. Bought my chicken and it's rotis. You parsimonious, you take it all cause you a locust. My focus is to grow this mission.
Hi guys! So we are on our way to Sands officially. I'm gonna tell you guys, I feel a little good this time. Feel a little good. We are going early. I don't feel as stressed. And we're making it happen and I'm happy. And I don't think, well, I'm hoping that we don't reach no baga traffic. But I feel good. Right, babe? We are going early. Guys in Bex with me, so I can't take picture. Maybe I just can't take picture. Can I say I was take good picture of me? I never take none of him. But I'm gonna, when we get to the venue, I'm gonna take a good picture of you. Okay? You gonna answer me? Say promise, come, I promise.
I'm going to put the video, the photo that she take, beside the one that I take and compare it and I can see. That definitely can make out see I mean at the picture.
Hey, that kid's a wicked boy.
You are so beautiful to me.
Ouch! Ow! Ah!
Maybe the bigger, you know, but take your hand, guys. Anyway. Jesus Christ. Tired of my phone, Alright, guys, so we're at the venue. We're loading up nicely. Hey. Very disrespectful.
Vlog world. You know, so when me have a camera and me take over the vlog and my vlog, you see me? But yeah, passenger prince today. We are on the way to the beach in Montego Bay.
City, like, let's be for real.
See what's going on. That's a look right here. What beach name again?
Treasure Bliss.
Treasure Bliss or Tropical Bliss?
Tropical Bliss, Treasure Bliss.
Yeah, with that one won't be a beach. Tropical Bliss, Treasure Bliss, something another bliss. With that one, Bliss Beach. Sandals there, right? So, yeah. Late as usual. But yeah.
We're taking our time and do it.
It is what it is. We'll show you what's up today. Yeah. The place kind of overcast.
It's a little bit.
So you know, so the sun not too hot because I still recover from the carnival sun. Face still burn up. But yeah, we are going to the beach. They're right next to the airport. If you know, you know which beach this is. I know it's not dead end. But yeah. Sun hot.
Every time I come over here, that I recognize because of that bad thing said. But we got no time to waste, Baba.
Boy, you see that sun?
So got on sunscreen.
Strong?
yeah, you got waist beads. How much for your waist beads? Can y'all hear me? Let me tell you something. I went this a while ago for see me can get one waist bead. And they're selling the waist bead for $25. 25, like what a ridiculous. Like if you should just go like, remember the last time I bought her 2 waist beads in Ochi. It was like $500 for your waist bead. And you sell it $25. Them mad? I don't think I tour. But I don't think I tourist, but me?
So you're not for the local price?
No, my love. Because even if you charge tourist $25, it's a damn tea for waist bead. Boy, guys, I love the ocean and I love the water, but when I tell you, the sun is sunning. Oh. Take it too serious.
I'm in a business meeting. I'm in a business meeting. Corona meetings, yeah.
Yes. Somebody come on the camera for telling you this. I was at the bar just now, right? And a guy came and he ordered a Heineken and 2 cranberry juice. And I think he wanted to pay in US, but he didn't have enough. And he asked the bartender, how much is it in pounds? No, he said, how much is it in English? You know, pounds. And he was like, 30 pounds. And I said, so I look on the guy and I say, because I didn't hear what he ordered, but when he man said 30 pounds, I say, I'm look what I have in front of him. I said, the Heineken is 2. And it sounds like that guy is Jamaican. But he live in England. Kind of mix between him Patois and him British accent. And I said, the Heineken and the 2 cranberry juice to add them say yes. I'm say, 30 pounds. The man say, yeah, man, I think me an idiot. The man say, man, I think me an idiot. Heineken and 2 cranberry juice. How much you want cranberry juice? And they go like this.
Random moves.
This is not your party, so probably 8 bills. How much you want pound? Pound almost $200.
Yeah.
The man said 30 pounds. I say use a damn thief. Furthermore, you see the rate and never come out with this a while ago, but I say give him money. Ooh! Fries are nice.
Taste test, how's it?
Fries are good. Let's see what the wing is giving. In the water, it's been like an hour since we've been here. So contemplating, but I gotta go in there because I'm a water baby. Okay, this needs some lime. Finished with the beach. It is now 5:15 and we are going to make our way back home to Kingston. And I hear that the air is very smoky in Kingston because apparently River Tantilla burned down. I really hate it there. I'm not gonna tell you guys anything. I really hate it there, but it's home, so I'm gonna make our way back into Kingston. So much for not trying to reach in the night, but hey, it is what it is. We're about to drive out and we're gonna have the windows down until we reach about Ochi. I will stop get fresh air. But it was a fun little outing, guys. I really enjoyed myself. Did you enjoy yourself, babe?
Yeah.
You did?
Where's the mic?
I think I gave you the mic. We went on a trampoline and
Went on
guys,
the seesaw whenever work out.
seesaw never work out to do that. Yeah, seesaw never work out. Yeah, I love the beach, but I don't like seaweed, I like seagrass, and I want Airbnb, that's enough.
Oh, you know.
Because you have one of them
key lock press something there. Yeah, I love the beach, but I don't love seaweed and I don't love seagrass. Tropical Bliss is really nice though because all the trampolines, they have like a volleyball thing and a seesaw thing. All of them are in the shallow end and it's easily accessible, and I love that. But you have a lot of seagrass and seaweed, and once I touch my foot, it's over. So now I have to walk with my panning back the entire time to go out to the that's pretty noisy. The entire time to go out there because seagrass, and you can't do that coming for bottom. I never have my water shoes, so
thank you for sticking around. See you guys in the next vlog. Bye.